Hey y'all, welcome back to the Sawmill. It's been a minute since we've done a video. Things have been a little crazy around here. We've expanded the business. We bought a laser, and that has really just taken our business to another level. Things are crazy.
You may have seen like some of the shorts. We put out a few shorts here and there, but we hadn't done a full-length video in a while. So today we're going to be doing a full-length video. We are actually headed to Jake Dean's, to his little Sawmill expo that he has. It's we were fortunate enough to be invited to by Joe Main. It's invitation only, so there's if you follow any kind of sawmilling channels, you've probably seen Jake Dean or some of the other channels that are out there, and they'll all be there, I'm sure. And so just come along with us and we'll see what it's all about.
We're excited to see some of the people that we follow and watch on YouTube. So yeah, let's go.
Alrighty, let's go.
Good.
Somebody.
Here, you go until you're about max. You put that down because you know that's if he was to keep going, it's going to get less and less and less, right? So by the angle on your half log is such that you're not getting good flex. You can use the toe bores to raise one end to the other to get into the flex. But you got to know what you're looking for. That means you're sawing dead through those rays. Hardly ever happens in a case like this. You got full flex, you got full measure flex both sides. It's okay. But when you're trying to, trying this at the house or something like that, you see.
Big shout out to the teacher. We can casually mention that.
We stopped for lunch. They provided pizza and drinks for us.
No, it was right now I am. But the guys from Woodbine, there's two of them.
First 3 courses, and then accumulate the weight on the rest.
We got back from Jake Dean's a few hours ago. We had some stuff that we had to do around the house here, and now Wesley is planting some chestnut trees. We got some deer tracks out here. We got some wild blackberries right here behind the house. It's already got some blackberries on them. They're everywhere in the woods. That stuff right there smells really good too. video doesn't do it justice of how pretty these purple flowers are. And we have ones like that are so pretty. Red ones. Oops, I can show them. Right up here. Day 2, heading back to Jake Dean's.
Thursday on there, bro.
Okay, thank you, sir.
We're wrapping it up here. It's over. We had a blast. Hopefully we can come back next year. We're done with Jake Dean's deal. Now we're gonna do a little antique shopping and see if we can't find us an antique door.
Well, we hope y'all enjoyed that video. We're back home at Sawmill now. Actually, out in the office. It's kind of obvious. But anyway, what a great weekend. Got to meet some really good people and learned a little bit. And had a great time out there with Jake Dean, and got to meet Nathan and Robert. And of course, we already knew Joe Main, you know, the guy with the silver tip Turbo 7 saw blades. But we had a good time and got some work done at our place in Georgia, and now we're back home. Time to get serious about hats and shirts and sawing some of that lineman lumber like we do. So yeah, if you hadn't already, go ahead and like and subscribe, and leave us a comment and tell us what you think.
Don't forget, I also do signs, which is my favorite thing to do. So if y'all would like a custom sign that you can't get at Hobby Lobby or anywhere else, just let me know, and I'll get it done for you. Came back to a lot of Amazon packages, so now we have to unload all that, or unbox it, not unload it, but unbox it, and get back to work. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.